Hey guys, my name is Kyle Allwood, and have you ever had the craving for something to eat but lack the energy or desire to cook? Or maybe it's nighttime and you have the breakfast stomach. Either way, there's a chance you may go for a bowl of cereal as a solution. And in this case, you're not alone. Approximately 70% of U.S. households consume cereal, with nearly three-quarters of American adults eating it at least a few times a month, according to recent data from sassignment. Now, it's also important to note that when you're speaking of the term cereal, there's usually two types. You have hot cereal, which are more like your oatmeals, and you have cold cereal. Today we're going to learn how to make cold cereal. Alright? Now, first you'll need cereal. Any cereal of your choice, particularly grain-based. Second, you're going to need your milk. Well, that could be either dairy or non-dairy options such as soy or almond milk. Alternatively to milk, you can also use water. You're also going to need your utensils, just as a bowl and a spoon. Optionally, you can use any fruit toppings of your choice or other ingredients such as cinnamon or pure vanilla extract. Have some here. Okay. So, here's the steps. First, place your bowl on a flat surface to minimize spillage. Just check. Second, pour the cereal of your choice into the bowl, but 2/3 of the way is usually ideal to avoid overfilling. Today I'm going with some Halloween crunch. Yes, one of my favorites. Okay. That should be fine. Oops. It's not. You're not doing something right if you're not making a mess in the kitchen. Okay, I'll clean that up later. Okay. Third, at a steady pace, you're going to gradually pour the milk into the bowl to avoid sogginess. Today's option, I'm going with some whole milk. But feel free to use any milk of your choice. Also, additionally, this is where you're going to want to add any of your fruit toppings or any other toppings of your choice, such as fruits, nuts, seeds, to the cereal, or even cinnamon or pure vanilla extract to the milk or water. Lastly, place your spoon into the bowl of cereal. Me, I like to give it a little saturation. And lastly, enjoy. Delicious. A simple breakfast staple or a go-to snack. But keep in mind, there's various ways of making cereal. Feel free to experiment with different ways, toppings, cereals, utensil sizes, and next time try even adding the milk first. Or even adding more cereal incrementally as you enjoy your cereal for crisp taste. Now, enjoy the milk. Adjust the milk to the cereal ratio. Adjust the milk to the cereal ratio to your preference. Along with cereal texture, if you prefer cereal soggier, simply add dry cereal. Simply allow the dry cereal to absorb to the milk longer. It will also help to keep a napkin. It will also help to keep a napkin or paper towel close by in case of any mess. Well, there you have it. Problem solved. You'll never guess what to make again. Okay? Now, no cooking required, and that late night breakfast stomach is now resolved. Take care.